So, what we're going to do, we're going to walk around the job site here. I am on a job site. I will turn the camera around. It's a huge job site. Also, as you can see, no one's wearing a mask. Okay, oh, you got some people, but not everyone. Anyway, let's go for a walk, alright? Let's go see the site manager. But yeah, this is the new hospital, private hospital at Sunshine in Melbourne. Okay, here's all the people up here. Here's all the people up here. And there is our union bloke.
Hey, in the fucking mental health in the road. My mate is normally alright, he's fucked. Yeah. But he's fucked me now, I'm fucking tripping because of this.
So what happens comes first day, alright, half of the people here know the rules, no jab, no job. So they can roll up at the front gate. You're still going to let them in, I hope, because they're your mates, ain't they?
Oh, who am I to fucking say that you can't come in?
That's right. Where's your union delegate the week, cunt? Where is your union delegate?
He's here.
No, not you. You are the union rep here.
Yeah.
Where is your main man? The weak cunt he is.
Mark Travers, I know his name. Mark Travers.
Mark Travers.
We'll see if he doesn't chirp up on that day.
No, my thing is, if they want to, they can come and stand there and tell people that I'm coming in. I'm not stopping people from coming in.
Nah. And really, I think every construction site in Melbourne is going to do the same. They're just going to say, no, fuck you, you're coming to work. Jab or no jab.
Putting people in a place where it's unlawful to ask certain questions, and they're not going to say, hey, you're the builder, you ask if you've done it. And you can't. I tell you, where's your fucking boss?
Yeah.
They're forcing him, the builders. But that's where everyone should turn around and say, mate, you're the fucking guy, you fucking shut it down. What they're doing now, they want me to come here now and shut it down.
Yeah.
You know what happens if I shut it down? If I shut it down,
you get in trouble.
Can't get the fucking paper and then cut. So people don't understand.
Now, on Friday when
they're forcing, you know, each individual to fucking go and do it on their own.
On Friday, one of the sites took their tables and that outside.
Yeah.
The police rolled up. They actually handcuffed the workers.
No.
They did. They actually handcuffed the workers under this health minister's bullshit about protesters and that. You cannot be outside. That is still class for you guys. If you take your tables out there, you will get arrested. So when our mate here came out and said to his workers, listen, come inside, we don't need this at the moment, come inside, the police actually tried to come in on the side. They shut the gate on them. They actually shut the gate on them. And they refused the police to enter because they wanted the fucking all the workers' names.
Hey, see, this is the best thing that can happen today for the union. Because the boys might leave the city. You can't say kiss to the dick.
So, you got 150 guys here, 100 go, no, I'm not getting vaccinated. Who's going to do your fucking job?
Exactly.
You need the collective to stand up. You need the collective to stand up.
You do, don't you?
So
and we need to do a fast.
You need the boys to grow there. I'm going to take 4 or 5 weeks off.
I'm ready to fucking stand the ground, man. I'm ready. If you were to say, Rat, go and park your fucking truck out there and don't move it.
The thing is, a lot of boys want to approach someone like if they get this over on now, your EBA is dead forever. You'll never get a new EBA. Your fucking, every allowance you've got is gone. If they get this 6-hour thing over the line, work, no break, that's it, everything's out the window.
Really?
They can do whatever they want.
See, I'm in the same union as you are. I signed up fucking 2 years ago, you know?
And see, now they're trying to pull to get away with the no eating in sheds thing, is you work 6 hours, no...
What?
That's what they're trying to pull.
6 hours not.
So not just say...
So yeah, you come to work, you got to work 6 hours and then knock off, go home, and that's fucked.
So then there'll be no overtime for anyone, anyway.
Thursday will be D-Day then.
Thursday's not the D-Day.
Good.
No, you know what? It won't be Thursday, it'll be the Monday, it'll be the 3rd.
23rd, 24th.
No, so if you've got a jab booked by or before the 2nd,
yep,
you can work that next week after the grand final.
Yep.
It'll be the 4th, the 4th, October 4th is the day.
Wow.
Yeah, that's...
Wow.
Because you can still go to work on the proviso that you've booked in. Yeah.
Do you have to prove that you booked in?
Yeah, you just haven't fucking...
It's going to be interesting, isn't it?
It will be.